there, welcome to Pour the Love of Art. Today I'm going to be working on a 24 by 36 inch canvas, and this is a canvas from Michaels. It's a level 2, so it's gallery wrapped. It's a nice canvas, and it would be a great canvas to do an acrylic pour on. But that's not what I'm doing today. So I have been acrylic pouring for several years. I honestly don't know. I don't remember how many. It's been years, and I love it. And I went into acrylic pouring with quite a bit of confidence. I just watched a ton of videos and I knew I was going to be able to recreate these paintings. And I could just kind of hit the ground running, and next thing you know, I've got thousands of dollars invested into this. And I love it. It's great stress relief. It's just something to take my mind off of everything, whatever anything is, and just enjoy the creative process. But I also watch art videos obsessively. Do you guys do that? I watch obsessively art videos, and there's so many different styles that I want to try. And for some reason, I don't have that same confidence that I had with acrylic pouring. So this year, I decided to get over the fear, and I'm just taking a great big canvas, and once a week, I'm gonna try something outside of my comfort zone on this canvas. I don't expect that this is gonna be some great masterpiece. It doesn't have to be. It's just something where I'm not worried about wasting paint, wasting materials. I'm just going to enjoy the freedom of doing whatever I want. So I'm gonna do that once a week for 52 weeks and see what I end up with at the end of the year. So this is week 1, and I'm just starting with some gray paint. I don't have a lot, so hopefully I have enough to cover the canvas. Today I'm just working on the background. And I have this idea of doing a gray background. And then I'm gonna let this dry for just a few minutes. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of black over that. And then I'll let that dry, and then I'll put a little bit of white over that. I'm gonna put some gray on the sides. And I'm really excited about this freedom project, and the only rule I've given myself is not to buy any new material for it, because I already have so many art supplies. So I just have to use what I already have and see what comes out of it. Alright, so that was just a perfect amount of gray paint to get a thin layer on here. And I'm going to let this sit and dry for a few minutes, and come back and add the black. Okay, I'm back, and I just wanted to show you a close-up of the canvas. You can see I didn't do a solid layer of gray. It's just kind of lightly covered, and it's still a little wet, so I'm going to wait a few more minutes before I move on to the black. Okay, I'm back. It's been about 30 minutes. It's probably not completely dry everywhere, but dry enough for what I want. Now I'm going to use some Mars Black just to make some random, I don't know, just random strokes of color, well, strokes of black. And I have more of this. I love the sound of a brush against the canvas, which is something I don't get with acrylic pouring. And one of the things that actually draws me in a lot to want to do this. So this is fun. I'm enjoying this. And I think I'm good with just that. Let me bring you in closer to look. And I'll be back in a few minutes to do the white. Okay, I'm back again. It's probably only been about 10 minutes. Still not completely dry. Apparently I need to work on my patience level. But I'm just really excited about this. So I'm gonna add a little bit of white randomly. And remember, I'm only just working on the background. This is just meant to be a background for whatever comes over the next months. So I have a piece of plastic wrap. And I'm going to use it to dab the white paint all over the canvas. Apparently this is not a level surface. That should be enough, hopefully. All right, so I'm loving this. And I think I'm done for today. Let me bring you in for a close-up. So I love the way this turned out. I'm kind of getting a winter storm vibe. I love it. But this is just week 1 of 52 weeks. So we'll see what this evolves into. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.